troubleshooting when things go wrong. The CAN bus and its components are fault tolerant, which limits the damage you can do when reversing the CAN bus. However, if you are fusing the CAN bus or replaying a large amount of CAN data back on a live CAN bus network, things can go wrong. Here are a few common problems and solutions. Flashing IC lights. It's common for the IC lights to flash when sending packets to the CAN bus, and you usually reset them by restarting vehicle. If restarting the vehicle doesn't fix the lights, try disconnecting and reconnecting the battery. If that still doesn't fix the problem, make sure that your battery is properly charged, since a low battery can also make the IC flash lights. Car not turning on. If your car shuts off and won't turn back on, it's usually because you have drained the battery by working with the CAN bus while the car is not fully running. This can drain a battery much faster than you might think. To restart it, jump the vehicle with a spare battery. If you have tried jumping the vehicle and it still won't turn on, you may need to pull a fuse and plug it back into restart car. Look at the engine fuses in the car's manual and begin by pulling the ones you must suspect are the culprits. The fuse probably isn't blown, so just pull it out and put it back into the force the problem device to restart. The fuses you choose to pull will depend on the type of your vehicle, but if your engine isn't starting, you will want to look at major components to disconnect and check. Look for main fuses around major electronics. The fuses that control the headlamps probably are not the culprits. Use a process of elimination to determine the device that is causing the issue. Car not turning off. You might find that you are unable to shut down the car. This is bad, but fortunately rare situation. First, check that you aren't flooding the CAN bus with traffic. If you are, stop and disconnect from the CAN bus. If you are already disconnected from the CAN bus and your car still won't turn off, you will need to start pulling fuses until it does. Vehicle responding recklessly. This will occur if you are injecting packets in a moving vehicle, which is a terrible idea and should never be done. If you must out of the vehicle while its wheels are moving, raise it off the ground or on rollers. Braking. Reverse engineering that CAN bus should never result in braking. That's it. Braking the vehicle so completely that it cannot do nothing. To brake a vehicle, you will need to mess around with the firmware, which will put the vehicle or component out of warranty, and it's done at your own risk.